This video will demonstrate the recommended daily cleaning procedures. To perform cleaning, you will need a 32-ounce minimum empty container. Remove the drip tray. Turn the dispense switch on the bottom of the machine to the on position. Reinstall the drip tray. Open the dispenser door. Remove all concentrate from the dispenser and store in a separate refrigerated compartment. Place an empty container under the dispensing nozzle. Dispense from each station until clear water flows from the dispense nozzle. Remove the dispense nozzle and run under hot tap water to remove excess pulp. Remove the drip tray. Wash the drip tray cover, and dispense nozzles in a mild detergent solution. Rinse thoroughly. Wipe the splash panel, areas around the dispense nozzle, and refrigerated compartment with a clean, damp cloth. Open dispenser door and reconnect the product container. Repeat this process for the remaining dispense stations. This video will demonstrate the sanitize process. You will need one empty 5-gallon bucket, 2 packets of K5 sanitizer, a clean empty concentrate container, and a 32-ounce minimum container. Remove the drip tray. Turn the dispense switch on the bottom of the machine to the on position. Remove all concentrate from the dispenser and store in a separate refrigerated compartment. Fill the clean empty concentrate containers with approximately 32 ounces of hot tap water. Load the containers of hot water into the dispenser. Place an empty container under the dispense nozzle. Press and hold the dispense button at each station until the stream out of the nozzle runs clear, about 30 seconds. The dispenser will not allow all stations to run at the same time. Once this is completed, remove and empty the container. Remove the dispense nozzle and run under hot tap water to remove excess pulp. Dissolve 1 packet of K5 sanitizer into 2.5 gallons of water at 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Place nozzle in a separate 1-quart container of sanitizing solution. Allow the parts to soak for 2 minutes. Clean the dispense nozzles with sanitizing solution and a soft bristle brush. Clean the concentrate bottle inlet adapters using the sanitizing solution and a soft bristle brush. Replace the nozzles. Fill approximately 128 ounces of clean sanitizing solution into clean, empty concentrate containers. Do not use the sanitizing solution used in the previous step. Load the container into the dispenser. Place an empty 5-gallon bucket under the dispense nozzles. Press and hold the dispense button for a 1-minute dispense time. Let soak for 5 minutes. Then press and hold the dispense button for a 2-minute dispense time. When the cycle is complete, remove the sanitizing solution and replace with concentrate. Place an empty container under the dispense nozzle. At each station, press and hold the dispense switch until product appears. Dispense 1 12-ounce glass of finished product and discard. Wipe internal and external surfaces with a clean, damp cloth. How to clean the condenser coils on a JDFS. Some models include a removable filter that can be cleaned in warm soapy water. Remove filter, set aside. Use a soft bristle brush to clean the buildup of dirt in the condenser. Clean filter with soapy water and then rinse. After drying, reinstall filter.